At this point, we are going to add our index view. This should go into our home folder under views. So we're going to right click on that home folder. And then we're going to go to add and we're going to see or select view. And what we want is the Razor view empty. So we're going to go ahead and click on add. And you'll notice that it's generating index.cshtml. That is correct. It's kind of hard to see, but it has Razor View Empty selected here. So we're just going to go ahead and click on Add. And we are going to have to customize this page a little bit. The code that it has in here by default is not what we want. So I'm just going to highlight all of it and manually key in what I do want. So first thing I'm going to tell it is the layout is null. And then I have to put my structure in. And so I've got the doc type statement indicating it's HTML5, my opening and closing HTML. Then I have my opening head with the meta tag for viewport, which makes it mobile friendly. I've got my title in there. Then I've got my opening and closing body with not a lot between. I've got a little heading, customer name, which I'm getting from the view bag, and the future value, which I am also getting from the view bag. And so at this point, that is all I have. So I'm going to go ahead and save everything.